So another live trade. I've just gone short on the British pound Canadian dollar. My initial stop, this is my entry. My first target is down at the swing low, and my second target I haven't decided fully on, but it's going to be somewhere down in this region, which should give us a risk reward of about 10. So that's up there somewhere. So that's the trade. We've obviously already triggered, so I will be back with updates. For an update on the British pound Canadian dollar, again my entry was here. You can see price came up, nearly stopped me out. A lot of traders, or what I used to anyway, I would panic here and I would close the trade prematurely. If I set my stop, I've set my stop, and this is where I've put it at the start of the trade, and I've just got to stick with it. You can see price came down all the way into this area and then shot back up. But what I had done was I had just checked the news I just checked the news for the main events, and the British pound, the governor of the Bank of England, Carney, was due to speak at around this time, and because the trade was up about 1.2 to 1 already on this at this time, and I had this kind of shelf here, I moved my stop down to break even just prior to the news, in case the news went against the Canadian dollar or was for the British pound, and that turned out to be the case. So I got out of this trade break even. So that's just the nature, again, part of trading. So it's an example of a break even trade, and you can see anyway price crashed through my entry and then all the way through what would have been my stop, and then it chopped around and now it's come back down into this area. But this is an example of how to take a break even trade. And yeah, just another facet of trading. Again, I always like to show that this was indeed a live trade. So this is a screenshot of my broker Ridge account. You can see it's live up here, and that's the British pound Canadian dollar short on the 14th of December, and I got 4.5 pips profit, which was zero pretty much. And you can see the trade here. It went sold short here and then it bounced back up and I got out. Thank you for watching.